Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to change LinkedIn email address. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open your LinkedIn application. Once it will be opened, then on the top left side here, tap on your profile icon. Next, on the bottom of your mobile screen, tap on Settings. Then tap on the second option, Sign In and Security. Now here is the first option, email address. Tap on it. Then tap on email address to add new email. Now you will receive a 6-digit code on your email, add that code here, and tap on Submit. Now enter a new email address here. Enter your LinkedIn password here, and then tap on Submit. Then check your email to confirm your email address by tapping on this receiving link here. Now my new email address has been successfully confirmed. Now tap on Make Primary to make the new email address as a primary email address. Enter password. And then tap on Done. And now you can remove the old email address by tapping on Remove here. Enter password and tap on Done. So it was the primary way in which you can change LinkedIn email address. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.